Welcome to Gamagori. Gamagori is a place that has a lot of mountain ranges. That island over there is called Takeshima Island. It's a place where gods live, and you can go there to pray to the gods. From cotton flower to woven cloth, Mikawa cotton. Mikawa cotton begins as a small, delicate flower. After the flower blooms, the cotton grows with the seeds inside. The first step is cotton ginning. This machine allows us to separate the seeds from the cotton. This process separates the soft cotton fibers from the seeds. What was once a single cotton ball becomes pure, fluffy fiber. Next comes cotton beating. Using a traditional bow, the fibers are gently tapped and loosened. This removes tangled and aligns the fibers, making them light and airy. Then comes spinning. Holding the cotton in hand, it is drawn and twisted on a spinning wheel. Slowly, softly, the cotton changes into thread. Watching loose fiber become a continuous thread feels almost magical. Finally, the thread is woven on a loom. Threads cross over and under again and again until cloth is created, strong, warm, and full of life. This is the journey of Mikawa cotton, from flower to fiber to thread to fabric, a story of patience, skill, and Japanese craftsmanship.